Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to mushrooms tomyam soup with seasoning powder. Hope you like it. This soup is made with Thai hot and sour soup seasoning powder, which is why I call this recipe lazy man's hot and sour soup, haha. Although it is cooked with seasoning powder, there are many ingredients, also big chicken thighs, so it is still nutritious and taste is still great. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: abalone mushrooms, enoki mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, corn, tomato, onion, celery, drumstick. This is my favorite tomyam seasoning powder. Peel celery. Diced celery and set aside. Remove outer layer and cut into section. Peel onion and cut into big chunk. Tomato into small chunks. Remove enoki mushrooms from packaging. Wash, squeeze dry, and cut into half. Sliced mushrooms. Wash and squeeze dry oyster mushroom, then tear into slices. Add all ingredients into soup pot. Tomyam seasoning powder. Let's boil soup. Soup is cooked. Try the flavor and season it according to your own taste. Personally, I think there is no need to add salt because the seasoning powder is already flavorful enough. There are meat, soup and vegetables. This soup tastes sour and spicy. It is very appetizing. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. The medicinal benefits of this soup are abundant. Tom yum in Thai directly translates to boiling and sour. Tom yum soup uses a variety of healing herbs and ingredients to boost the immune system, coat the stomach, aid in digestion, and repair cellular tissue. Tom yum has existed since at least the 14th century, and in one particular legend, the story goes that a Thai boatman on his way to trade in China had a boiled hot pot of soup with ingredients such as lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, galangal and shrimp paste. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.